Good morning. I just thought that we would make our first stop today and chat a little bit about some of the history and some of the things that have taken place here at our wonderful science building. What's interesting about our new science facility is that it's over 200,000 square foot. That's actually 10% of the 2 million square foot that Hamilton College is comprised of. The original structure did have these two bookends that came out, but the center section did not look anything at all like this grand entrance that you're seeing now. So here I am, standing on the map. Looks like Bill's never going to graduate from Hamilton, but I did want to take this opportunity and visit a little bit about the old ELS and its transformation to the new Sadove Student Center. It's a great facility. It houses the Spectator magazine, it has a radio station, all the student activities all take place out of here. It has a beautiful bookstore, has a nice coffee shop. It's a great asset to the campus. I think that we paid homage to the original ELS building, and yet we're able to really embrace it and have a facility that's working well for the entire community. How can we not chat about our beloved chapel? 5-6 years ago, I had an opportunity to go up with a lift way up to the top and started prodding and poking and recognizing that, oof, this building's getting pretty rotten. We got some issues here. We were actually able to pick up the very top 2 sections of the chapel, swing it down, set it on the ground, restore it. The top was restored, craned back up and set back in place. I think the fact that we were able to discover the original colors of the building after scraping and removing paints, to pick up the deep green that are in the louvers and the light gray that's also in the structure, was a wonderful asset to recognize that this building had more to offer than just being completely whitewashed. Okay, so here we are on our beautiful Kirkland campus, often called the South Side because it's the south side of campus. We're standing in front of what is the addition that took place about 15 years ago for the Kirner-Johnson buildings, which were originally, when the buildings were constructed in the late 60s, early 70s, there were 2 separate buildings, they were combined, and then we moved forward and built this magnificent facility to tie it all together. This product is called a pre-patinated copper, which means that it was put through an aging process. This copper also came from Revere in Rome, New York, and it fits into the brutalist style of this building very well.
Something we always need to remember is that careful planning and execution goes into every decision we make as we maintain our beautiful, historic, and state-of-the-art campus for many, many generations to come.